This young eider duck is sitting on eggs. Out here, she's exposed and vulnerable. Gulls on the hunt for ducklings. To keep her unborn family alive, this devoted mother will put her body on the line. She barely leaves her nest, not even to eat. After a month, starved and exhausted, her devotion has paid off. But she's not done yet. Up here, her ducklings will quickly starve. She must get her hatchlings to the sea so they can all eat. But that's a long way down, through gull territory. The odds are stacked against them. Whispered contact calls. Keep the family close. Newborns can't fly, but are light enough to bounce, and keeping them hidden from the aerial surveillance, so Mum does something unthinkable. Calling. She exposes the family's location to everyone. But like an SOS, it alerts dads and other mothers in need. United, they create a defensive circle that encloses the chicks, a security escort that discourages the gulls from aerial attack. She can eat for the first time in a month. Watching your children take their first steps towards independence is a proud moment for every parent.